Hello, everyone! If you're watching this video, you probably have photos or videos on your Samsung M47 that you'd rather keep private. Maybe they're personal pictures, important documents, work files, or simply memories that you don't want other people to see when they borrow your phone. The good news is that there are easy ways to hide them, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how many Samsung users spend a long time looking through the gallery settings but can't find the right option. Others think they need to install third-party apps to hide their files. Fortunately, that's usually not necessary. Your Samsung M47 includes built-in privacy features that can help protect your photos and videos. Everything in this guide is simple and beginner-friendly. You won't need a computer, root access, or any risky modifications to your phone. Just follow the steps shown in this video, and within a few minutes, you'll know how to hide and protect your private photos and videos on the Samsung M47.